Okay, so now it's Monday morning after our night of snow, and it's so snowy out here, I can't get the door open. It's stuck. So, very windy and blustery, very cold. Snow on the walls, snow everywhere. Snow on the garage, snow on the Accord. Look down here, see? Can't even get the door open. Let's see if the dogs want to come out. Not likely. Come on, Pepper. Daisy? We'll see. Daisy's going to sink. All right, let's go. Ugh. Wow. Whoa. I sunk a little bit farther than I expected to. Here we go. Still coming down at a pretty good clip. Blowing sideways. Wind is making some good noise too. Here it comes. Here comes some good wind. Whoa! I don't know how well the camera's picking up the sound, but pretty good sound. Okay, so whoa. Okay, I think Pepper's gonna make some noise. Not that we're going to watch that, but where's Daisy? Come here, Daisy. Oh, poor girl. What'd you think? She sinks pretty much all the way in. We're not in Houston anymore, are we, girls? Whoa! Ah! Pepper's got her nose underneath. I think the girls are approving. Oh. Kind of crazy, huh, dogs? See, I sink all the way. That's, oh, you can see that's a good foot in, at least. Okay, well, it's just a snow all day today, so we'll see how we end up. As long as there's nowhere to go and nowhere to be, it's pretty cool. Okay, dogs. We're going to sign off from our snowy backyard.